our common experience that in life we are not having proper growth, and because of that we are suffering a lot. And that is why this is a great initiative by us, wherein we will be going through everything that is related to growth. And in this series we are launching the series and a movement that is called stimulating distinctive growth. Why stimulating distinctive growth? It is because that in India we have got a population of more than a billion people who are working on a mediocre life, and they are not progressing very much. Do you know it takes your annual earning of less than 50 lakh rupees to be into the top 10 top 1% of the people who are the highest earning persons in India. So our earning is not that much, our properties are not that much, our valuations are not that much, our startups are suffering, and everything is under the growth. There are many people who are looking to grow or looking to grow into life. However, they are not finding enough ways, they are not finding enough guidance to get that growth. And for that, to facilitate them, we are launching a movement called stimulating distinctive growth. Why stimulating? Because every seed which is in the soil has got everything in it. It has got a tree in it. However, unless and until that seed gets the proper stimulus, that seed doesn't get to grow into a big tree. It stays into the soil, it stays hidden into the soil, doesn't come out until it gets proper stimulating atmosphere. And to facilitate that stimulating atmosphere, we are launching a movement called stimulative distinctive growth. Why we are stimulating is because we need to grow the people. What is distinctive growth? Say growth is the basic growth is the basic thing for which the human life exists, because without growth there is nothing. From the apes, from the bacteria, we have grown, we have evolved so much. And distinctive growth is something that comes when it is visible. Distinctive growth is something that puts you apart from the people who are just earning the money, because growth is not only about earning money. If it has been it had been only about earning money, then the people with the money would not have been felt the void. Then the people with the money would never fail in their life. But however, people are failing in the life, people are failing in their dreams, people are just falling short in achieving their dreams. To facilitate them, to stimulate them, to stimulate their growth, we are launching this movement which is called stimulating distinctive growth. And the vision, my dream behind this movement is stimulating distinctive growth and inspiring people and businesses to be unicorn leaders. See, we will not be focusing only on the people, we will not be focusing only on the businesses, we will be focusing on both the things. We will be focusing on people who are looking to grow in their lives, and besides we will be looking after the businesses, all the businesses who need to grow, who want to learn how to grow. We'll be helping them, we'll be helping them with proper conducive atmosphere. We'll be helping in their learning, and will make them into unicorn leaders. What are the unicorn leaders? Unicorn is very unique breed of any business. It is a unique leadership where the person proves, or the business proves itself beyond any doubt to the world. It receives the valuation. Whether you are a person or you are a business, you will need a valuation. You will need a valuation where you receive everything that you deserve. It is not a perceived value, it is not a negotiated value, it is the value that you have got inherent in yourself. And our mission will be to transforming 1 billion lives and businesses to be unicorn leaders with the abundance of health, wealth, relationships, happiness, and joy, by creating their mindset, their skill set, their life set, and freedom of a leader in their lives. uh, uh, See, basic requirement to be for any person to earn money, to be a leader, would be having a world class health. Our first preference will be on helping people on their health. Besides, the health of business is also very much important, because it helps a person or business to grow. Then next step would be the wealth creation, wealth preservation, wealth multiplication. Then relationships, the kind of relationships people and businesses are having with the channel partners, counterparts, customers, the families, and their extended families even. Then happiness and the joy, which is the ultimate aim of the life. Ultimate aim of the human life is to be happy. It is not to be working only. It is not to be working, and it is not to be being sad. It is not to be angry. It is not to be anything else. It is to be in a state of happiness and everlasting joy. That is the ultimate aim of the human mind and human life. And for this, we'll be helping people out in creating their mindset, proper mindset, their skill set, life set, and freedom of a leader. Say, why we are focusing on mindset? Because everything starts with the mindset. Healthy body, a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. But the reverse is also true. To have a healthy mind, you must have a healthy body. To have a healthy body, you must have a healthy mind. Same way, to get your riches, to get your wealth, to get your valuation, to get your true worth, and to be up in the game of relationships, to value every relationship, and to appreciate all the relationships, you need a mindset. Then you need a skill set. While you are studying, you are not acquiring enough skills, and that is the biggest problem with the current education system, wherein people are not accumulating any skills, or they are accumulating very low skills or very less skills in the market. In this situation, people forget to learn the skills which are required for their present job, or even pursuing their dreams, or businesses do not possess the necessary skills to upscale themselves to a level where they will be unicorn leaders. We'll be reskilling them. People who are in the middle management, people who are into business for 15-20 years, just give it a thought. You have never reskilled or upskilled yourselves. If you are in a business, if you are in a job for last 5 years, how many times you revisited your skills? How many times you upskilled yourself? Never. So skill sets are missing because time is running ahead. The world is changing every day, and in this changing world, people are not having enough skills to pursue their dreams, to pursue their lives. So we'll be helping them in acquiring those skills which are very much required. The next thing we'll be looking after is the life set. A person whose life, whose relationships are not strong enough, whose relationships are not at a level where everything is upstream, there is no scope for a person to be ahead. And for true freedom, a leader requires certain qualities. A leader requires to be at a stage where the leader will be able to inspire everybody, inspire business, inspire people above and below you both, and create everything into a movement. So for that, you will be required to know how the freedom works, and we'll be going through some core values. Our values will be leadership. We'll be taking extreme leadership in everything. Wherever the things are dependent upon personal growth, business growth, economic growth, or when it comes to contributing to the society, to contributing to the nation, we will take an unequivocal leadership in everything. Our another value is intelligence. What do I mean by intelligence? By intelligence, we mean that you have to be upskilled and reskilled. Whenever the things require, whenever things call out you should be ready with the skills which are required today and tomorrow also. So with these skills and with all this, we will have to be ready. Then wealth, we'll be creating we'll be focusing on creating, maintaining, preserving and enhancing the wealth through multiple channels. And then our another value is freedom. Ultimate aim of human life is being free. And there will be authority. A person who acquires skills and reskills, upskills himself will become an unequivocal authority. How to become authority? That will also be a core value. Integrity. Without integrity, there is nothing in life. A person who is not having integrity is below anything. So integrity is also one of our core values. And the last core value would be our family or even extended family. So this will be our creed, where will we go by our vision of stimulating distinctive growth, where we'll be working on our vision and we'll be working on our mission also. We'll be inspiring people, businesses and everyone. For this we are in the process of creating a group. Just at the end of this video, we'll be sharing the link of that group where you will be able to connect with us in this movement and be a part of this movement. So ladies and gentlemen, with this I will be sharing the link in the comments for joining the group. If you want to grow professionally, if you want to grow personally, if you want to grow your business, if you want to become a unicorn, if you want to become a unicorn leader, an unequivocal leader of your trade, your industry, even in your job, whatever your goals may be, we will stimulate those growth and we'll be taking those things ahead. In next 3 months, we'll be working hard on this. We'll be working on this with people who are interested in this. So if you are interested, please join the group. We'll be sharing the link of that group in this in the comments of the video. Ladies and gentlemen, with this I leave you. This is Amit Kumar Ruparelia signing off for today.
लाइव पाछड़ डाले।